Hello students, good morning. Today I have come with my 11th lecture video, subject history, chapter 1. Today I want to solve your question answer. In this sequence, in previous classes, we have wrote question number E1 to 5. Now today is the term of question F, short answer question. Repeat it. Question number 1. What are Vedas? Vedas are the literary sources of ancient India. There are 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samveda, Atharvaveda. What is the work of archaeologist? The archaeologist excavates sites and objects buried in the earth. They also study the remains of buildings made out of bricks and stone, sculpture and paintings. What are the foreign accounts? Foreign accounts are written by travelers who visited India. For example, Chinese traveler Fahian and Moroccan traveler Ibn Battuta. Now question number 4. Name any 2 animals which the people of Suleiman and Krithar hills reared. Goat and sheep were the 2 animals which the people of Suleiman and Kirthar hills reared. What is the full form of AD and BC? Answer is AD stands for Anno Domini and BC stands for before the birth of Christ. Now it is term of long answer question. Question number G. Question number G1 and 4 are the same. Write any 3 features of the archaeological sources. Answer is the archaeological sources include monuments. Monument is a statue, building or other structure erected to commemorate a notable person or event. For example, Taj Mahal, India Gate, etc. Second question is artifacts. Artifacts is something made or given shape by humans. For example, stone tools, pottery, vessels, etc. Third and last point is inscription. Inscriptions are the written record engraved on stones, pillars, clay or copper tablets, and walls of the temples and monuments. These are the three features of archaeological sources. What are the different ways to find out about the past? Answer is historical sources give us information about the past. They act as clues from the past to construct history as a whole. These sources can be broadly divided into two categories: literary sources, and example is Vedas, Mahabharata, Ramayana, epics. Second, archaeological sources, monuments, coins, etc. Third and last question. Why did ancient civilizations develop near river valleys? रिवर वैलीज के नज़दीक ही सिविलाइजेशंस क्यों विकसित हुए? द जोग्राफिकल नियर द बैंक्स वाज बोथ फर्टाइल एंड रिच with flora, due to which most of the civilizations developed near the river valley. That's all. In next picture video, I solve chapter 2, the earliest people. That's all.